To add or delete axis titles in a chart, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to add axis titles to the chart shown on the screen. I first click the chart. Notice that when the chart is clicked, a new set of tabs named Chart Tools is displayed. The new tabs are Design and Format. Second, I select the tab Design. Third, I click on Add Chart Element. Fourth, I select Axis Titles. Fifth, I select the option Primary Horizontal. As you can see, the horizontal axis title is placed below the horizontal axis. Finally, I enter the title. To do this, I click on the horizontal axis title. To delete its text, and type in quarters. To add the vertical axis title, I repeat the same steps. So, I select the tab Design. Then, I click on Add Chart Element. Next, I click Axis Titles. Finally, I select the option Primary Vertical. As you can see, the vertical axis title is placed next to the vertical axis. Now, I click the vertical axis title to type in Sales. To delete an axis title, follow the steps shown on the screen. I first select the horizontal axis title. Finally, I hit the Delete key. As a result, the selected axis title is deleted.